Decoupage art is trending now. Today we will learn the basics of decoupage art. Hello everyone, welcome back to Palette Life. If you are new to this channel, my name is Suma Babu. I am an artist and I am passionate about anything and everything creative. Decoupage is the art of cutting and pasting colored paper cutouts on surfaces like wood, glass, metal or even plastic. Now the question is, what kind of paper we use for decoupage? The answer would be all variety of paper like newspaper, magazine paper, wrapping paper, tissue paper, rice paper, handmade paper, etc. Or now you get specially manufactured paper for this very purpose in the market. Or even you can use cloth for decoupage. Today we are going to decoupage my house entrance door. So let's see the process now. The paper I am going to use is this printed sheet. I just loved this combination of blue and pink color. We are not going to use the sheet as it is. I only need these roses for my today's project. I have just cut the required number of roses. Normally for decoupage, you need not to use scissors for cutting the design. We don't need any sharp edges of paper, so we tear the paper with hand. Or for soft papers like tissue paper, we use a wet brush to separate the design. Now our base and paper is ready. The third thing we need for this project is glue. And about the glue, you can use Mod Podge or decoupage glue. These are specially made for this purpose, but they are a bit expensive. So we are going to make our own DIY decoupage glue for today's project using only 2 ingredients, any white glue and plain water. I am using Fevicol here. The proportion would be 2:1, 2 part of glue and 1 part of water. Mix them together to get a fine paste. You may need a brush to spread the glue on the surface. I am using this soft bristle filbert. You can also use flat brush or fan brush for decoupage. All our materials are ready. Now clean the surface with a wet cloth. Make sure it is dust free. Then you can design your artwork. If you need, you can mark the shapes using a pencil. It's totally optional. You can also directly stick the paper cuttings. First glue the surface, then place the flowers and glue them nicely. I used almost 2 sheets of printed paper to complete this design. Normally, for a bubble-free decoupage, we should take proper care of this stage. We have sticked our complete design on the door, and our final stage would be applying 2 coats of any clear varnish over the work. Before that, you can paint any designs you want to create additionally using acrylic colors or chalk colors. I don't find any requirement as such for this design. I'm happy with this flower wreath effect. I think I have covered almost all the points which a beginner should know before doing decoupage. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through comment section. Thank you all for watching till the end. See you soon with yet another new interesting video. Until then, take good care of your health and happy painting. Bye.